Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars, and today we're going to be doing an outside unboxing. I love doing outside unboxings. Today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels. This is the Toyota Offroad Truck. From the Baja Blazers, series number 3 of 10 for 2021. This is number 4 of 250 in the second color, which is red. Diecasts GTC 49, Toyota Offroad Truck from Baja Blazers, built for endurance and performance no matter what the terrain. That's what a Baja Blazer is. 2020 copyright. Okay, let's get this open. Not quite a clean open. Been waiting to get this out of the packaging. That wheel does not spin that well. Interesting. This is a cool looking truck though. This is 55 and Holly on the side, Holly equipped, and a bunch of like off-road decals on that, and liking the colors on it. Liking those tampos. Brush guard. Loving the Baja 5 wheels on this. The back wheels. I think these need to be freed up a little bit, but I'm not sure because they're just really weird. They're BLOR wheels, I believe, and here's the back. This is actually an off-road 5-spoke wheel for the spare tire. They don't make that anymore. Oh, wow. Yeah, looks like we got some bent axles on this. Every time I've done an outside unboxing, they've all had bent axles. And made in Malaysia, 2015 copyright. This is also known as the Toyota Baja Truck. So, Off-Road Truck or Baja Truck, those are two possible names for this casting. I'm going to call it the Off-Road Truck since that's what it's called. Here's the interior there. Don't know if you can quite see that. Look at the tampos all around in this casting though, really cool. Like, there's like nothing on the back there, it's just holding it up. That base is holding it up. There's still a shot of it right there. And there's the base, plastic base, red is all metal. Thanks for tuning in, subscribe for more.